Welcome back. This time, IFFI has come with lots of fun for children. For the first time ever, ESG has organized FILMI Fun Fiesta for children during IFFI. Total 6 movies will be screened in this section. There will be various workshops and competitions for children.
ESG has planned an entire fun-filled schedule for children from 27th to 29th November. 6 films will be screened during this fun fiesta at Makines Palace in Panji. Toonpur Ka Superhero, Shrek the Third, Chutkan Ki Mahabharat, Madagascar Escape to Africa, Kabhi Paas Kabhi Fail, Krish Trish and Bartley Boy 2. Moreover, there are other activities planned for children like painting competition, watermelon eating competition, face painting, magic show, balloon sculpting. There will be a special workshop on animation films by Kirit Khurana. ESG also has organized a fashion show for kids. The inaugural ceremony will be held on 27th at 6 p.m. followed by the screening of a film. On the other side, in short film section, selection of films for International and Vasudha Award competition is over. Out of 216 entries, 20 films are selected from all over the world. 4 are for Vasudha Awards and 16 are for the international competition. Films selected under the Vasudha Award competition section are Save Earth, My Home is Green, A Pestering Journey and Battle for Survival. These are Indian films. Out of the 16 selected films, 14 are Indian and 2 are from the USA. The Short Film Center will also organize various networking sessions, updation workshops and lecture series by prominent filmmakers and master classes. A reporter from Panji, Lokik Shilkar.
A rally organized by El Shaddai on child abuse awareness had a brass band, and shockingly, a child was a part of the band. El Shaddai said that government is not serious about the child abuse issue and South Goa needs a shelter home at the earliest. Rally was organized on the occasion of Children's Day in Madgaon.
The brass band, which was hired for the rally by El Shaddai, an NGO working for children, had a child playing an instrument as a brass band member. Ironically, this rally was organized to create awareness against child abuse. We asked El Shaddai about this issue. This is what Kurian has to say.
Oh my God, they should not have had it.
I have the video.
I must talk to them, they cannot have it. Every form of child abuse is wrong. I mean, they are not our own children, it's a hired band. I really appreciate you for bringing that point. I will talk to them.
Matthew Kurian of El Shaddai said that government is not serious about child abuse issue.
Every child has a right for food, education, shelter and participation. It's a responsibility of the government. But government has not been effective, say like as a state. But as a state, we have only one Apanagar and everybody knows we need a lot of improvement. And we need a court, a children's court and a shelter home in Salsid, the South Goa. Legally, we are supposed to have 2 in Goa, but we have only 1.
Children of El Shaddai presented a short skit on the occasion.
Hey, तुमने अपना होमवर्क क्यों नहीं किया? टीचर ने कल काम पे जाना है तो स्कूल क्यों आते हो? जाओ काम पे जाओ, क्लास के बाहर जाओ. तुमने सुना नहीं? मैंने क्या कहा? जाओ क्लास के बाहर जाओ.
Hopefully, government constructs a shelter home for underprivileged children in South Goa before the next Children's Day. A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Around 11 shops were demolished at Mapsa Municipal Market on Monday. They have been rehabilitated to some other area in the same market. Shopkeepers claim that only few shops are demolished. They have demanded that the whole line of shops should be demolished.
Mapsa municipality workers demolished around 11 shops in the municipal market on Monday. Shopkeepers claim that only few shops are demolished, whereas few are still untouched. They claim that the whole line of shops should be demolished. They also claim that the municipality intends to allot these shops to some other people.
थोडीच आमची 10-12 दुकानं काढल्या ते विलिंगली जाल्यान तयार आणि बाकीच्यांची किऱ्या खातीर दवरला ते म्हाका कळना आमकां काढले न्हू आतां तेंची तयारी आहा की हांगा हाडून दुसऱ्यांक बसोवपाची अशें आमकां कळलें आहा म्हटल्यार अशें आमी ही हे करून दिवचें ना खंय वयचें पडल्यार जाता आमकां सीएमाक वयतले जाय जाल्यार आनीक राज्यपाला कडेन वयतले.
The shopkeepers were given deadline till 14th November to vacate the area. They are rehabilitated to some other area in the same market. We spoke with the market inspector of the municipality, Uday Salkar, but he refused to comment on few shops that have not been demolished.
Altogether, 11 stall are rehabilitation केले already. And ताणी ताबो घेतलो. ताबो घेऊन ताणी ते काढून आशिल्ले. ताका लागून आमी तांकां मुदत दिल्ली 5 दीस काडा म्हणून. आनी ते मुदती प्रमाणे तेणी काल तुज्या आयदनां मुदत सोंपली. आनी तेणी शिफ्टिंग केलें जवळ
सगळी लँड काडटले.
आतां हांकां जे शिफ्टिंग आसा पळय तांचेच. बाकीचे कितें तुमी म्युनिसिपालिटीन मातशें हें करा.
This decision by the municipality came after few shops were gutted in a fire few months back, and fire tenders had to face difficulties to reach the spot. Our reporter from Apsa, Shyam Sundar Fatte.
The Christmas season has symbolically begun with the traditional cake mixing ceremony. This ritual usually begins 40 days in advance before Christmas. Siddharth de Goa held a cake ceremony to usher in the festivities.
The staff of Siddharth Goa, along with the house guests and their families, formally began the Christmas festivities with the cake mixing ceremony. This traditional cake mixing ceremony is an old age ritual which is said to be the harbinger of good tidings and happiness. Everyone enthusiastically joined in to mix the ingredients that go into making this unique Christmas cake.
It's a traditional event which happens all over the world at this point of time. Roughly around 40 days to 3 months in advance, we generally marinate all the fruits in the liquor, in the spirit, so it gets nicely steeped exactly for the Christmas. When the Christmas time comes in, we'll be able to bake a very good cake and make very good plum pudding with this now. It needs around the 40 days to 3 months time to marinate nicely. So and this really sets the mood, the festive mood for the people to come. And also this sets the entry, the beginning for the festive also. Generally we put all kinds of dry fruits in this. We have used raisins, candied peels, dates, almonds, figs, apricots, all kinds of dry fruit we mix in there. And liquor like all kinds of spirits like brandy, whiskey, rum, wine, all that we pour it up and mix it nicely.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.